There are many sounds that give us a sense of euphoria, or get us hype. These sounds can range from a variety of things, and usually give us a dose of nostalgia too. In this video, we'll be counting down the top 5 hypest noises. Number 5. Ultimate Chicken Horse Raccoon Dancing Sound. What kind of game lets you play as different animals with their own dances and singing? That game would be Ultimate Chicken Horse, available on PC, PS4, Xbox One, and Nintendo Switch. One of the undeniably best characters you can pick from is the raccoon. The dance he boogies when holding down a certain key, coupled with the beautiful Roomba bottom, gets us excited every time we hear it. Official purchase of this sound will cost you about $15 full price to buy this game on Steam. Number 4. Shulker Sounds. On November 14th, 2016, Mojang rolled out the Exploration update to the #1 best-selling game, Minecraft. In this update, many things were added, such as the new features in the End Dimension. End cities were added, allowing the player to raid and defend against an all-new enemy, Shulkers. When near these beastly beasts, they make some of the hypest noises we've ever seen, which earned its spot on our list. The official purchase will cost you about $25. Not too bad. Number 3. THX Intro Sound. Throwing it back to the 2000s really gives you a different vibe. The classic startup sound of the American Visual Reproduction Company gives everyone a trip for their life. The bass that comes with this high volume audio is nothing to take for granted, and certainly not to be joked about. Prices range anywhere from $3 to $5 on DVD purchases of select animated films from the 1990s and 2000s. What a great deal. Number 2. Armageddon Advanced Wall Riding Sound. Keeping things in the 2000s, Armageddon Advanced is a Tron-based game that came out in 2001. This game runs flawlessly for its time, and the sound effects feel like they've come straight out of the 4th dimension. Some players shorten the name of the game to Armageddon Ad. However, it never caught on with the veteran gamers. Purchase of Armageddon Advanced is absolutely free, and that is very deserving of our second spot. Before we take a look at our top pick, let's go through some honorable mentions that just didn't quite get us hype enough.
I'm fishing for Mario's.
Mario, go fish!
Come here, fishy fishy. Here, fishy fishy. It's your turn.
No paradox here. Yet. The fairest, least biased way to choose which Winky lives is to put 3 slips of paper into a hat and randomly draw a color. Gotta mix around your slips, and here we go. But what if they know that I drew a color, yet I don't tell them which one it is.
Number 1. Retimed Happy Town theme song. Maniacs outdid themselves with the soundtrack on their newest edition game, Retimed. Some of you may consider this more of a song than a noise, but it got us so hype, we just couldn't help but give it the number 1 spot. Purchase of Retimed and the official soundtrack will run your bank account a charge of $15. If you've got that money to spare, I can suggest nothing else than cashing that game immediately. Thanks for watching. Do you agree with our top picks? I don't care.